Hi guys, welcome back to the 25th video of the JavaScript tutorial series, and today we'll be taking a look at the slice array method. So go ahead and open up your JS field window and let's write some code in the JavaScript tab. So I'll define my array fruits. I'll say apple, banana, orange. I'll say here fruits dot slice, and I'll say 1, and I'll take this value in a variable called temp. Okay, and let's output this temp and see what happens. So when you slice 1, which is the first value, you get banana, kiwi and orange, right? Now if I just said fruits.slice1 and try to output fruits, because that's how we do with slice and with pop and push, right? We remove some value and then we get fruits. It doesn't work like that. So the slice function doesn't work like that. So you'll have to store it in a variable, let's say temp, and then you basically it slices it and puts the value in this variable. That's how this function works. It returns that array without the first value, right? And then you say temp and you get the array without the first value. If you set 2, you will get till the place 2, you will remove these two values and you'll get kiwi and orange. If you set 3, it's going to slice till 3 and you'll get just orange, right? I hope that makes sense. And now let's say I say 1 and 3. So what 1 and 3 does is it starts after the first position, right? So banana and kiwi, and then it ends at the third position, which is kiwi. Starts at 1 and ends at 3, which is banana and kiwi. You get these two values, and that's how the slice method works. I hope that was clear, and thank you for watching.